You guys seem to like last week's episode where I documented one of the trades I entered over inside my mentorship group in real time. So today, I want to show you this trade I'm taking right now, okay? Ticker symbol WHR. I'll throw the screen recording right there. We entered this last week inside the mentorship group. So on 215, you can see I bought WHR 318 $200 puts. All right, these contracts were going for $6.80. Anytime I enter a trade inside the mentorship group, I make sure to explain exactly why it is that I'm entering. One thing I want to emphasize is that this is not a call-outs group. I'm actually teaching you the lifelong skill of trading. So you're going to learn the exact trading system that I use to find success. That trading system so far today has helped me make over $19,000. I'm up $19,200 on the day. You can see once we lost support at 203.31, right when the market opened this morning, WHR generally has been following the overall market, but you can see we did lose that support at 203.31 and started pulling back there. Right now, these contracts are up about 35% since I called them out. Again, last week inside the mentorship group. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this trade. We'll check back in later. Not a bad start to the day. Beautiful day out. Got a nice workout in this morning. I think we're gonna head out in the McLaren, have some fun, get lunch. It'll be a good day. Hell yeah.
Try to get her in one though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Get on, get your food, and
Yeah.
come here enjoy your day. You got YouTube channel?
So yeah, hey, you wanna follow it? It sounds good. Yeah, we got another subscriber. There we go. Awesome.
Have a good one.
Have a good one, man.
And for you, sir? Can I just do water and then a 10-piece, like, we're so... How's it going? Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.
This is the definition of trust the process. Screen recording right there. We're up $25,000. You can see WHR, you know, caught a little bounce off that 197.62 level. All right, I looked on the 4-hour time frame and there's no visible support at that level. So I knew that was just a temporary support level that we would break through. You know, looking at the pattern again, the initial idea behind this trade was that pattern of lower highs and the fact that we were rejected just below that $208 level. Once we saw that, okay, price was rejected, we weren't able to break the pattern of lower highs, that let me know that this pattern would continue developing. And so we entered in the mentorship group last week, and you can see today the pattern is continuing to play out. Just in the last couple minutes, we broke through 197.62. We're just catching a bounce off support at 196.58. I'm up $24,700 on the day. These contracts are now up over 50%. So a beautiful trade, trusting the process here. Again, I'll check back in and hopefully we can hit that $30,000 goal. That would be an amazing day. All right, it is 3:52. I am currently up, throw a screenshot right there, $22,800 on the day. I'm gonna go ahead and let the team know that I'm closing this trade and we'll lock in profit. Let's go ahead and let the team know I'm closing ticker symbol WHR for profit. All right, I bought these contracts at $6.80 a contract, and I am selling these. Let's see, let's go here. Close position. Let's see if we can get filled at 1040. Review. Let's send this on through. Order sent. Now we've got 7 minutes before the market closes. This is kind of asking for a high fill, but if we can't get filled at 1040, we'll drop it down to like 1035 if, you know, there's only a couple minutes left. So let's wait here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let the team know I'm selling my contracts right now at, hang on, orders, 1045. It looks like I could get filled at, okay, we sold 23 contracts. All right, we're slowly getting rid of this position here. Okay, we got a couple more contracts to sell. All right, so that's great. We're getting filled here at 1040. So we sold 37 so far. We'll go ahead and post this. We're locking in a nice 53% return on this call out. All right, bought at 680, sold at 1040. There we go, we're filled. Okay, we're out of this position. Send that to the team. 53% return. P&L day, $22,875, and year to date, $21,268. Beautiful trade. Team is locking in profit alongside myself. We'll go ahead and we'll ask if anyone has locked in profit yet. Anyone else lock in profit with me on ticker symbol WHR? Post those gains. And you can see a couple of our members already locking in profit. Philip, you are now my favorite trader. I appreciate that, Philip. So it's good to see. Look at earlier in the day, another one of our members locked in. Wow, $3,800 profit. So there we go. Market closes in 4 minutes. $22,875 day. Insane in the McLaren. Ridiculous. If you do want access to copy my trades, and not just that, but learn the exact system that I use to make over 7 figures a year in the stock market, I'll put a link. It'll be the first link in the description. It's a one-time purchase with lifetime access to, again, copy my trades, like we just did right now, live on camera, so you guys all could see that there. So beautiful trade. That means on the year, I am now up, year to date, I am up 158% on my trading callouts. I've only had one loser this year, and it went against me 5%. That's pretty insane. That's insane. And it's been a rough start to the year. I mean, the S&P is down about 10%. So that just shows, even if the market's going down, you can still make money. Again, I find more success swing trading versus that quick day trading in and out. I like swinging positions. I bought this position, I believe, last Wednesday. So you only need a couple trades a month to make money. 3 to 4 trades a month, 20 grand on this trade. If you'd like to join the team, go ahead, click that first link in the description. With that said, hope you guys did enjoy. Subscribe, smash the like button, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys in next week's episode. Later. Dude, so fast.
That was
so far, I'm in love with this car. Okay. That was a real quick 55. That wasn't cool. I don't think I could floor over that, man. We need like a mile of just straight road.
I will.
All right, like and subscribe. You heard the man. It is rolling on here.
Do your clap thing.
Ready to watch this fall off.
Here, I'll do it.
Do it.